Hello everyone, Abel in Vegas here. And as you can see today I have two boxes here of the Topps 206. This is for Series 2. Now before I get into the box break, I wanted to show you guys some of the print runs, at least how I estimate them. This Series 2, Wave 2, had a pack print run of 33,914 packs. And at 10 cards per pack, that means there's a total of 339,140 cards that were printed. The checklist is 50 subjects. So your Ty Cobbs are still numbered to 1. American Beauties are numbered to 10. And the Cycles are numbered to 25. For Wave 2, they have an omission, no black plate that is specific to Wave 2. And the estimated print run for this parallel is 23 copies. The Polar Bear, which you find in 1 in every 18, there's 38 copies. The Sovereign are 1 in every 6 packs. You have 113 copies. The Sweet Corporals are 1 in every 3 boxes, so there's 226. And the Piedmonts are 2 in every box, so there's a print run of 1,357 copies for each subject. Now, one of the things I wanted to point out is when you compare the boxes to each wave, there is nothing that differentiates them. I have here a box from Series 1 or Wave 1, and I labeled it as such, S1, because when I saw the release for this information, I thought that it felt like they were not going to change anything. And based on the box, it looks that way. As you can see here, so this is the Series 2. There is nothing that really differentiates these boxes. So it's a little disheartening because they're all the same. There's nothing on the sides that would make you know, one is Series 1, Series 2. I wish what they could have done is the color of the label, if it would have been different for every wave. That way at least you knew what wave you're getting, because it's not until you open the cards when you will know which one is which wave. But I have a total of 3 of these that I'm going to open. I have 2 here and I have 3 more on the way. But I'm going to go ahead and open these only because I am working on a submission to SGC. So if there's any of these minis that are worth grading, I want to have it so that I could send it off for grading. So these come in these little tiny packs. All right. So our first card we have is Means. Some of these players I'm not going to know their exact full name. Here we have Mike Soroka. We have a Galen rookie card. Abreu. Scherzer. It's actually a nice one. I like the hat on that one. Belt. Luzardo, so that's a good one. We have David Wright. We have Chipper Jones, and this is going to be a Piedmont. And an Ozzie Smith Piedmont. So not too bad. Let's go into the second pack. And we do have a Sweet Corporal on the back. So I wonder who it's going to be. Here we have a Cal Ripken base. We have an Aquino rookie card, so that's pretty awesome. Sterling Marte. Mr. Martinez. Archer. Oh, nice. Ken Griffey Jr. Berrios, Paddock, which is a Piedmont. We have a Rendon as a Piedmont, and our corporal is Ted Williams. Nice. Awesome looking. And there's the back. Pretty sweet. Alright, I received the third box that I had to open, so let's get into it. For the Topps 206. I ordered a total of 5. 3 of them I'm opening. 1 I'm keeping for a later opening because I want to wait. I want to open all 3. Whoops. I want to open all 5 waves in one video. And then the last box that I order is to keep for my display. So, all right, we have a Pedro Martinez, Kyle Schwarber, Fat Albert, hey, Jackie Robinson, that's a nice one, Mike Stanton, Nolan Arenado, another nice one, Max Muncy, and I believe this is going to be a Piedmont, so Tommy Pham, yep, a Solak rookie card with the Piedmont, and an Ozzie Smith Sweet Caporal. I keep saying corporal, but it's Caporal. So there you have it. 3 boxes of Topps 206. Thanks guys for watching, and catch you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Some of my cards are available for purchase on Check Out My Cards. Follow my collecting adventure on Instagram and Twitter. Links are available in the description below. Support my YouTube journey by clicking on the subscribe button and turning on the notifications. Catch you on the next one.